If you're wondering how to offer international perks with Oyster and streamline global employee benefits, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Oyster makes it easier to manage international perks, ensuring you offer competitive benefits no matter where your employees are located. Keep watching because by the end, I'll also share an exclusive offer you won't want to miss. Oyster is a powerful platform that allows businesses to hire, pay, and manage employees in over 180 countries. But beyond just payroll and compliance, Oyster also lets you provide meaningful perks that make your employees feel valued, no matter where they are in the world. The key here is flexibility. With Oyster, you can tailor your international perks to meet the needs of each employee, whether they're in Europe, Asia, or South America. One of the standout features of Oyster is its global benefits package. Through the platform, you can offer perks like health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans that are customized for each country's legal and cultural requirements. This ensures that every employee, regardless of location, feels supported and receives the benefits they deserve. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert in international HR or spend hours researching each country's regulations, because Oyster handles all of that for you. But Oyster doesn't just stop at the basics. It also allows you to offer unique perks that can help your company stand out in a competitive global job market. This includes things like wellness benefits, home office stipends, and professional development funding. These perks can be adjusted based on local laws, employee preferences, and your company's budget, giving you total control over how you reward your team. As you grow globally, you'll also appreciate how Oyster simplifies the process of managing multiple employees in different countries. The platform's centralized dashboard makes it easy to track employee benefits, payroll, and tax compliance all in one place. This means you can focus on growing your business without worrying about the complexities of international benefits administration. Now, if you're new to Oyster, you might be wondering about the cost. The good news is, you can try Oyster for free right now. Just click the link below to get started with our exclusive extended free trial. That's right. You can explore everything Oyster has to offer with zero commitment, allowing you to experience how easy it is to offer international perks to your employees. To recap, Oyster is the perfect solution if you're looking to manage international perks for your team. It takes the guesswork out of offering competitive benefits by simplifying the process of customization, compliance, and administration. Whether you're hiring one employee or building a global team, Oyster ensures that your international perks are tailored to each employee's needs and location. Don't forget, by clicking the link below, you'll get access to an extended free trial. Start offering those international perks today with Oyster and watch how it transforms your global team experience.